Overcoming the overuse of adjectives and adverbs, your key to fluent English. Hello there, language learners. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that many English learners grapple with: the overuse of adjectives and adverbs. We'll take a deep look into how and why these parts of speech are often misused, and most importantly, provide you with strategies to avoid this common pitfall. Firstly, it's vital that we understand what adjectives and adverbs are. Adjectives are words used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. They give more information about the quality, quantity, or manner of the thing that the noun or pronoun refers to. On the other hand, adverbs are used to modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They often tell us how, when, where, or to what extent an action is performed. For example, adjective: she has a beautiful dress. Adverb: he runs quickly. The main issue we're discussing today is overuse. While adjectives and adverbs certainly play a vital role in language, peppering every sentence with these descriptive words can make your speech or writing sound unnatural and overly complex. This is especially true when several adjectives or adverbs are used consecutively, which can lead to redundancy and confusion. For instance, overused: she wore an extremely beautiful, stunning, breathtaking dress. Appropriate: she wore a stunning dress. Now, let's tackle the most important part: how to avoid overuse. Here are some strategies for you. 1. Choose precise words. A well-chosen noun or verb often requires fewer adjectives or adverbs to convey the same message. 2. Limit to one descriptive word. If you must use adjectives or adverbs, try limiting yourself to one per noun or verb. This helps to keep your sentence clear and concise. 3. Use adjectives and adverbs sparingly. While these parts of speech can add color to your language, they should not dominate your sentences. Use them when necessary to add important details. So there you have it. By being more mindful of our use of adjectives and adverbs, we can communicate more effectively and sound more natural in English. Remember, it's not about completely eliminating these words from your language, but using them wisely. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the art of balance in your use of adjectives and adverbs. Until next time, happy learning!